Saucy here, the traveling towboat chef. So I am on my way to the boat. So I gotta go meet up with the other crew and park my vehicle, and then hold on a second here. I got merging traffic. Anyways, I gotta go meet up with the crew, park my vehicle. They take us to the boat. So the boat this time is only about an hour and a half away from me. Well, from where I get picked up with the rest of the crew. When I get on there, it's going to be a full crew up on the boat, so that means I've got to do a grocery order right away. I've got to do some organizing. I got to take inventory. So it's good. The first day of crewing up a full boat is busy, and I still got to make meals. So I've already messaged all the guys and told them that lunch is going to be like sandwiches. I got to see first what's on the boat. Because I know for sure nothing's defrosted for me to make any type of lunch. So I got to take out something for supper. And again, the boat's been tied up a while, so they probably don't have much groceries on there. So I may just make sloppy joes for tonight if they have the fixings for me to do all that. But I'm so excited to get back out on the boat. I've been off the boat now for about two and a half months. So due to the rivers being really high waters, normally it's 25 to 35 feet, and it's been up to 65, 70 feet, doing a lot of flooding all the way from up in Wisconsin and Michigan all the way down to Louisiana, down in New Orleans area. Around all the rivers. So a lot of boats have been tied up, and now they're releasing for the summer till the fall, and then it starts all over again. But I do also have some good news. During my time off, my 28 days off, I went and talked with the restaurant, and I'm going to be during my off time on the boat for a little while. I'm going to be their baker and their catering chef. So that's going to be another adventure as well. I'll see what when I'm allowed to video while I'm there because of their own recipes and so forth. I will talk with the owners and see if I can possibly do a video of the restaurant. It is one of the higher class restaurants. Basically drum up business for them. What I'm going to have to do is probably just attach this to my first video when I get there. So I'll see if I can do something on how a crew change is. So if we're not in a rush to get in the crew van. So either the crew van or the crew truck, whatever they send for us. A lot of the crew is brand new to me, so I've got to get used to who eats what, who is on special diets, and so forth. And trust me, it's a lot of work. But I enjoy it. I have a passion for cooking. I enjoy making things that people love. Enjoy watching them eat. And so it's gonna be a fun trip. I'll upload as many videos as I can while I'm out on the river, but a lot of spots are dead zones, so uploading a video is going to be few and far between. But I can't wait to do that special video, and I want you all to definitely stay in tune for that. So especially all the ones that can't get it right. You all know who you are on that one. So we're going to do what's the difference between a rowboat, a towboat, and a tugboat. But I also may include a few other things of what type of marine vessels there is. That is not my type of boat that I work on. So nobody can get confused. All right. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video or the continuation of this one. Have a nice day. This is our crew change boat. We're headed out from across the river to our boat. Our boat is out there right behind the second boat from the right. Unfortunately, can I give you guys the name of the boats? That's due to the fact it's company policy till we ask permission from their PR department. So you will not know the name of the boat I am on, or even what company I'm working for. They're large boats. We had to wait a little bit to get on our boat to get the others moved. As you can see, this is part of our crew here, and of course that crew driver, great guy. I'm not sure if you can see this, but you probably can hear the wind coming through the door. We're having some horrendous rain and winds right in the middle of the river. We were trying to get over to the side, and it's taking us forever. And we're just a rocking and a rolling. The many reasons I love my job. Look at this view. Good morning. It is gorgeous. Look at this sky. Sorry about the wind. I don't have one of those windsocks yet. We had a little tiny friend that joined us, if you could see, that little tiny frog that jumped right up on the deck. I didn't get much food videos this week due to the fact it was very hectic. But next video, I'll try and get more.